Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something I think we all face at some point in our journey of faith. Spiritual discouragement. You know those moments when your prayers feel like they're hitting a ceiling, when reading your Bible feels like a chore, and when the joy you once had seems so far away. It's a tough place to be, and it can make you feel isolated and even question your faith. But I want you to know right now, you are not alone in this feeling, and there is a way through it. Spiritual discouragement can be triggered by so many things. Maybe it's an unanswered prayer, a personal failure, or just the constant pressures of the world weighing you down. It can feel like you're trying to run a marathon with weights tied to your ankles. You see others soaring in their faith and you wonder, what am I doing wrong? Why do I feel so stuck? This feeling, this spiritual low, is a real and valid struggle. It's not a sign that God has abandoned you, but often it's a sign that we need to recalibrate and lean on Him in a new way. One of the most powerful scriptures for times like these comes from Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31. It says, "But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint." This verse isn't just a pretty sentiment. It's a profound promise. Notice it doesn't say those who feel strong or those who have it all together. It says, those who hope in the Lord. Hope is the key. It's the anchor for our soul when the storms of discouragement are raging. So how do we practically apply this? How do we move from feeling spiritually drained to renewing our strength? The first step is to be honest with God. You don't have to pretend you're okay. Pour out your heart to Him. Tell Him you're discouraged, you're tired, you're confused. The Psalms are filled with these kinds of raw, honest prayers. David wasn't afraid to tell God exactly how he felt, and neither should we. God can handle your honesty. In fact, He invites it. This is the first step in shifting our hope from our own strength to His. The next step is to intentionally place your hope back in the Lord. This means consciously choosing to trust in His character, His promises, and His timing, even when you don't feel like it. Waiting on the Lord isn't passive. It's an active state of expectant trust. It's like waiting for a flight at the airport. You're not just sitting there idly. You're waiting with the confident expectation that the plane will arrive and take you to your destination. We wait with the confident expectation that God is faithful and will act on our behalf. This waiting period is also a time to get back to the basics. Sometimes when we're discouraged, the big spiritual disciplines feel overwhelming. So start small. Instead of trying to read 5 chapters of the Bible, read one verse, like Isaiah 40:31, and meditate on it all day. Instead of a long prayer session, offer up short, simple prayers throughout your day, like, "Lord, I need your strength right now." Re-engage with worship music that lifts your spirit. Surround yourself with a community of believers who can encourage you and pray for you. Community is God's design to help us carry our burdens. Remember the promise, they will soar on wings like eagles. Eagles don't soar by flapping their wings relentlessly. They catch the thermal updrafts and let the wind carry them higher. In the same way, we don't overcome spiritual discouragement by mustering up our own strength. We overcome it by positioning ourselves to catch the updraft of God's grace and Spirit. We do this through honest prayer, active hope, and returning to the simple truths of His love for us. If you're in that valley of discouragement today, I want to pray for you. Lord, I lift up every person watching this who feels weary and faint of heart. Renew their strength, Lord. Remind them of your unfailing love and your powerful promises. Help them to place their hope in you and to feel the lift of your grace under their wings. Help them to run and not grow weary, to walk and not be faint, because their strength comes from you alone. Thank you so much for watching. If this message encouraged you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more content to help you grow in your faith.